Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the currency in the Sofascore app on your Android phone. Whether you prefer euros, US dollars, or British pounds, you can easily switch between them with just a few taps. First, open the Sofascore app on your Android device. Make sure you are in the Profile section by tapping the profile icon at the bottom. At the top right corner, tap the Settings icon to access app settings. After that, select the Preferences option from the list. Now, tap on Currency to access the available currency choices. You will see three available options: Euro, US dollar, and British pound. Finally, select the currency you prefer, and it will be instantly applied across the app. And that's it. You've successfully changed the currency in the Sofascore app. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more helpful tech tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching.